we wanted to share with you a day in the life of Lobster Adventures. We get asked on a regular basis, what do you do in a day when you're not travelling? So here it is. We are 2.7 miles in.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah. We try and get a walk in every day, or whenever we can. The weather dependent at the minute. You won't think it's the 1st of August.
Not
Peed it down.
Night.
No.
It's torrential last night.
I mean, look at the clouds behind us.
Moody.
It's forecast not to rain, so hopefully we'll finish this walk. We thought we'd bring you on a little bit of our walk as part of our day in the life.
Come, go find it.
Being in Norfolk, there's loads of nice places to walk.
Tracks, paths, bridle paths.
Yeah, loads of rabbits, loads of deer, loads of pheasants, partridges.
Oh yeah, she started flushing.
Yeah.
That's her new thing.
Yeah. I think she's really clever. Oh, I'm a gun dog. I can flush these things. Oh, she's gone. Where is she?
Get it. Find it.
Not windy. I'll finish just over 5 miles. That was a longer
5.2.
Yeah, longer walk than we expected. So we are back. Now we can have a cup of tea. Washing part 1 is done. Put the rest in a bit. There's a wash day. Perfect. I bought this peg bag from Amazon. It's as big as my head. It's bigger. It looks really small on the advert. I thought it would be nice and compact for Matilda. Not so much. Cup of tea.
Cheers.
Do you want some breakfast? You did 5 miles. Do you want a big breakfast?
She did more than 5 miles.
I just cuddling the dinosaur.
Good girl.
Best bit is raw fed, and she has half of one of these little tubes a day. So there's 400 grams in there. But at the minute, because she's doing a lot of exercise, she's gone a bit ribby, so she's going to have some of this wet food as well from Fourth Glade. I think it's free. Is it freeze dried or cold press freeze dried, or one of the other?
Yeah.
And we had these as emergencies when we were in France earlier in the year, in case we couldn't get any raw food. It's raised. Some people might ask this question. If she's a deep-chested dog, it helps with their digestion. And for afters, we have broccoli stalks. Oh, good girl. You got some more? This is chewed in. Hang on. Morning routine, just had a shower. A lot of people ask, actually, do you still do normal things? Well, of course you still do normal things. I don't know sometimes what people, I think people think we're living in this like parallel universe of weirdness, don't they?
You literally do the same stuff.
We still shower, we still wear clean clothes.
Just do it in the box.
Yeah, I still look after ourselves. So, and as I'm getting older, so I use an eye cream every day from Noon. Thank you, Ali, for my aesthetics lady, for providing me with that. And today is also estrogen patch change day. And again, just life carries on as normal.
Yeah, that's good.
This is so these go on twice a week. A lot of you ladies out there will know what they're all about. Peel it off, pop it on your leg. Done. That's me done till Friday. Tablets, progesterone tablets have already been taken, along with magnesium, biotin for my hair, collagen will be in my breakfast with my protein powder. Got to keep looking after ourselves as we get older. And with a little bit of a retinol boost. All over body moisturiser, and I'm done. So it's not all dog walks and cups of tea. We do of course work. A lot of people have asked us along the way how we fund this. Do we work? We both gave up quite big corporate jobs before embarking on this, which we both feel so much better for. But earlier this year we set up a VA company, which is virtual assistant, meaning we can work from anywhere, England, Europe, as long as we've got good internet connection, which we have with the Starlink. A certain amount of hours throughout each day will be sat in front of a laptop working Teams meetings on the phone, depending on what client we're working with and what the job is at the time. But it suits us both. Mark gets involved as well. He's currently, the cab's forward, he's currently outside doing some work on the cab. Mark is currently, I've got to stay at that window. Mark is currently outside doing some work on the cab. He's just fixed a little oil leak. We've got an air leak to do, and a few other bits and bobs. More a day. Actually, this isn't a daily occurrence, but it's just truck maintenance, so that'll be on next week's video, I think. I do need to clean that window.
fuzzies now. Obviously when we undo these are the bendy ones. So they naturally hold it with all the weird valves they've got inside. That's it. Empty. Wrapped back up. Took her away.
So, trying to be organised, try and prep tomorrow's breakfast. We both generally have overnight oats. We favour these giant oats because they make a nice consistency. So we have one, actually it's half a cup of those, followed by half a cup of coconut yogurt. It's a tiny squirt of runny honey. I can't use the solid stuff from France, sorry Alex. And today's choice of fruit is raspberries. Last week we had blueberries. This week we're having frozen raspberries. This was fresh mango that we chopped up. I've never frozen it from fresh, so that'll be interesting. There we are. Breakfast. Well, I say breakfast, it's normally 12 o'clock.
Yeah, brunch.
Done.
What's for tea?
We are having rice, broccoli, salmon in the air fryer, which sounds really boring, but actually it's not.
It's not. It's lovely.
It's a really simple dish, which I think we kind of made up a few years ago. I fry off the rice, pour the rice, fry off the broccoli, then I put a vegetable stock, hot, one of these, in, mix it all together, salmon on top. We're done. There we are. Mark, how's the wine? Offs. Salmon, rice, broccoli, and a bit of vegetable stock.
It's good.
And actually the sun's come out, look at that. So we've finally got a blue sky. Look how green the grass is.
Oh, good.
Thank you.